Welcome back as we next learn how to use an engineer's steel rule in some typical practical jobs. Steel rules are mostly used by workers such as plant fitters and metalworking artisans. A steel rule, used correctly, will provide more accuracy than a tape measure or a wooden builder's rule. With practice, you'll be able to read a steel rule to an accuracy of up to half a millimeter. A steel rule can be used in two ways. Firstly, to take a direct measurement, which means reading the rule directly upon the object being measured. The second way is to take an indirect measurement by first gauging the object with an instrument and then transferring to the steel rule. Let's first discuss a direct measurement. The most important thing here is that when measuring the length of a part, the flat end of the rule must be in line with the edge or end of the workpiece. To achieve this, there must be a shoulder or a clean edge against which you must place the rule's flat end. The reading must be taken with your eye directly in line with the workpiece and the scale line of your rule. And the reading, which in our example is 70 millimeters, is read. When you need to take a direct measurement of an object, such as the width of this piece of flat metal, and it has no shoulder, then you must do the following. Take a flat and straight instrument, such as your tri-square, and hold it squarely against an edge. Now, using your square as a shoulder, you can get an accurate reading of the length or width of the metal plate. Practice using your engineer's steel rule to take direct readings on workpieces in your own workplace. After the break, we'll demonstrate how to take indirect readings.